According to Temu, this is a fire pit. Hey guys, I'm Mike and welcome back to Outdoor Adventure Gear. And basically guys, I bought I guess you could call this a fire pit from Temu. I was looking for something like this, something portable that's already set up. I didn't want something I have to break down and set up. Just think I could put away in the closet or put away. I'm gonna put a black bag around this because it did not come with one. I wanted something of this form factor, but guys, as much as I'll use it, I didn't want to spend $80, $90, or $100 for it. So I searched on Amazon for a while. I didn't find anything just like this. I found some close, but not like this. I saw this on Temu and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna take a chance. I always do that, guys, you know me. Now, I only did it for a certain reason. I bought a couple things from Temu. They'll be up on a video later. And they didn't send them in the time they were allotted. You guys know on Temu, if you don't get things sent in the time they allot, they give you a $5 credit. They did that on two of my things that came in from one shipper. So of course I got $10. This was for $19, I think it's more now. This was going for $19. It was on sale for, I think 13 something. I used my credits and I got this for just over $3 and that was with shipping. So I said, you know, I don't have anything to lose. I'll see what I can do with it. So let me show you everything about it, break it down, and tell you what purpose it may serve for you, or just maybe something you want to overlook entirely. Now let me show it to you up close. It's all steel. It's not aluminum, it's not titanium, but it's all steel. It's got a very thin little door here. I want you to see that. This is very thin metal with a door where you can throw and load it up. This is for catching the ashes. Nice little lever. Now, if you're ginger with it, could last you a while, okay? This metal here around the lid with its 3 legs it has are thicker than the door, this little hinge, and then this little wood holder here. It's just over a pound. I think it was like a pound and I'm guessing because I'm in the woods right now. It's a pound and like 5 ounces. If I'm wrong, I'll put it up here. And it's about 10 inches wide and just over 12 inches in height. So you can see this form factor of it. Doesn't fold down, doesn't break down. It didn't come with a bag. When I first got it, I thought something was wrong. I contacted Temu immediately because after looking at it, I was like, ah, man, not only is this not what I wanted, it's missing some things. This part right here, I'm gonna show you this little catch. You see that little catch right there? That catches the little lever that holds the door shut. It was bent completely flat. So I was like, well, how am I supposed to keep this little door shut? And then why was this little lever even there? But I folded it out and shut this and I was like, okay, that works. I've been able to bend the door a little bit more on an oval shape to match this, or circular shape, I'm sorry. But the door is very thin. The hinges, as you can see, they are riveted inside there. You know, it's not gonna fall apart. I'm only worried about the heat. Here's my go one. I'm gonna use it tonight. It'll be up in this video, of course. I haven't used it yet, but I wanted to get the video up just in case somebody's looking for form factor like this, something small, something you might use 2-3 times a year, and you can get a cheap price for it like I did. It's worth it. Is it something that you can use 20, 30, 35, 40 times in a summer? That's on you to guess. And if you can get it for like $3 and something like I did, yeah, it would be worth it. But for what it is now, if you bought this for 19 bucks, I wouldn't buy it. I would just rather have a campfire and then do what I have to do. But it does come with 3 legs. This lip right here, let me close this. All right, this lip right here is tougher and you can see how it's beveled out. Of course, it's just over, I think this is about just over 10 inches in width. I have a pot, I have a pan that I'm gonna use tonight, but I have a grill that I'm gonna put over top this. I wish it came with a grill, but it didn't. This little handle is nice because you can take it off. And it's simple, it's not really complicated. You just take it off and you can put it back on. What I'll do is I'll take this off when I cook on it tonight and do everything I gotta do. And it'll be up in this video, but I'm going to put it back on if I wanted to move it. This gives you the option in case it's hot, because you can see I'm holding it with one hand and it doesn't take a lot. Just do it with one hand. But if I was, on the ground, I wouldn't even touch the fire pit. Could it be a fire pit? I don't know. But let me tell you what I think is gonna happen. Took the handle off just because I didn't want it slapping and making a bunch of noise. What I think is going to happen when I cook in this and get this hot, I think the welding along that little piece of thin metal is going to break. That's what I think is going to happen, because I want to show you this. If I push on it, it's thin. Now, it's steel. I don't know how good that welding is. For me, for 3 something, it's worth it. Even if that little thing falls off, that welding falls off, and even if this bottom falls off, this thing on the ground and having everything I want inside of it is worth it for me. It will work as a cooking kit. It's better than my small wood stoves because I can put a lot more in here. And of course, you guys know the heat will be there and it'll last longer and I can cook longer. But I don't know. I don't know, because the bottom is just as thin as that middle. But this side, the whole walls and the lip is thicker. I think it's going to cook well. Right now, let me show you what it looks like right now with me cooking on it. You guys let me know what you think. So of course, you've seen it already. I haven't even seen it yet. That is everything with this. I'll see it in post when I produce the video. I'll put up any other things I want to do about it, but I just want to put a quick video up like this, just because I think this has its purpose. If you're looking for something like this, it has its purpose for the price point. I wouldn't pay 20 bucks for this, because you could probably make it for yourself out of something. You can buy empty paint cans that you could do something like this, and they're cheaper. And the paint cans are thicker material. They look like this, just oval. I've used them to make sand heating stoves, and that's in the future. I'll put those up. Just wanted to show it to you guys, Temu's version of a fire pit. I will come back on a short later in the future, probably telling you how it's doing if I use it more than 3 times this year. But let's see what happens. I don't know. I'm just worried about the rivets inside, or the welding inside. Probably the rivets on this door, but it is steel, and I'm not going to get a fire pit that hot. So we'll see what happens, but I'm going to cook on it tonight. I'm going to enjoy myself. I'm going to have a nice fire. But that is Temu's version of a fire pit. And guys, just like everything else on Temu, if you see this one and you see other ones, I guarantee you they're all the same. Okay, one company's not going to make it different than the other. One company's probably making this, and there's 100 sellers selling it. Just be aware of that. Just be aware of it. And if you see it on Amazon, what a seller did was he bought 1,000 units on Temu. He's putting them on Amazon and he's selling them, making a markup. That's capitalism. I don't have a problem with it. Just be aware, it'll probably be this same product. Guys, let me know what you think of this Temu fire pit in the comments. Let me know if you've bought one or if you have anything like this. And if you have any options by a reputable company, especially USA made, that is not going to break the bank and is not truly really expensive, that's something you might use 2-3 times a year, guys, put it down in the comments, share it with the rest of the community. We can all benefit from it, but at least you're going to see what this thing does tonight. That's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon. And right now, I'm going to fire this bad boy up because I'm hungry. Bye, guys.